Good morning. This is our chapter Animal Kingdom, and today we'll study about phylum Chordata and its phylums, that is Urochordata or Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. So let's see what are the characteristics of phylum Chordata. First of all, animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic, coelomate with organ level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. And their three subphylums are Urochordata or Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Let us have a look at this flow chart. Phylum Chordata, first of all, divided into two divisions, Protochordata and Vertebrata. Protochordata is basically a combination of Urochordata and Cephalochordata, and they are exclusively marine animals. So Vertebrata is divided into two subdivisions, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha lacks jaw. Example is Cyclostomata and Gnathostomata bears jaw. Then superclasses are there, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces bear fins and classes are Chondrochithesis and Osteogythesis. We'll study about them in detail later on. And Tetrapoda means bears limbs. Class Amphibia, Reptilia, and others. In this slide, we'll study the differences between Protochordata and Vertebrata. First of all, we'll see the characteristics of Protochordata. Subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to be protochordates and are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, notochord is present only in larval tail, while in Cephalochordata, it extends from head to tail region and is persistent throughout their life. Examples of Urochordata are Ascidia, Selpa, Doliolum, and of Cephalochordata, Branchiostoma, Amphioxus or Lancelet. The members of subphylum Vertebrata possess notochord. During the embryonic period, the notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Besides the basic chordate characters, vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambers, kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendages which may be fins or limbs. Examples of vertebrata we'll be studying later on. In vertebrata, division is there. Agnatha means that lacks jaw, and there is one class only, that is Cyclostomata. So we'll see the characteristics of Cyclostomata. All living members of class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. Ectoparasites means live on the other fishes. They have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for respiration, and cyclostomes have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Their body is devoid of scale and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation is of closed type. Cyclostomes are marine but migrate for spawning to fresh water, means अंडे देने के लिए fresh water में चले जाते हैं. After spawning, within a few days they die. Their larvae, after metamorphosis, return to the ocean. Examples are petromyzone, lamprey, and myxine, commonly called hagfish. Under division Gnathostomata means which bear jaw. Two superclasses are present. First is Pisces and second one is Tetrapoda. Pisces means bear fins, and there are two classes, Chondrochithesis and Osteogythesis. So first of all, we'll study about the characteristics of Chondrochithesis. They are marine animals with streamlined body and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. Skeleton which is present inside the body is called endoskeleton. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. Operculum is the cover of gills. Gills के ऊपर अगर cover present है, then it is called operculum with operculum. But the fishes which are having cartilaginous endoskeleton, they are without operculum. Skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous, means prey के ऊपर attack करके उनको खा के जिंदा रहते हैं. Due to the absence of air bladder, they have to swim continuously to avoid sinking. Means in their body, air bladder is present. Heart is two-chambered. One auricle and one ventricle is present. Some of them have electrical organs. Example is torpedo, and some possess poisonous sting. Example is trigone. They are cold-blooded, poikilothermous animals, means they can't regulate the body temperature according to the environment. Sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bear claspers. They have internal fertilization and many of them are viviparous. Means viviparous का मतलब होता है बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. And examples are scalidon, dogfish and sawfish and trigone. I have already told you torpedo, electric organ present होते हैं. And next one class is Osteogythesis. Osteogythesis means bony fishes. Both marine and freshwater fishes with bony endoskeleton are they. Their body is streamlined, mouth is mostly terminal, and they have 4 pairs of gills which are covered by an operculum. So this is the difference between both the cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes. Skin is covered by cycloid scales, means in cartilaginous fishes skin that was covered by placoid scales. Air bladder is present which regulates buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. They are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous and development is direct. And examples are Exocetus, means flying fish, hippocampus, seahorse, and freshwater में रहती हैं labio rohita and ketla and aquarium fighting fish. These are the examples of osteogythesis. In this slide, you can see the morphological differences between both the types of fishes, cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes.